advice is to first start with AI enablement and training, because it's a completely different paradigm in understanding which technologies do what. This is where we come in to advise the what limitations are there. But there's a radical mindset shift. So we need people that are okay to try the human plus AI synergy rather than getting stuck with the old methods of implementing software. And that's it's an openness. It all starts with an openness, and that comes from education. So researching some tools, there's a lot out there. Microsoft's, from Anthropic's, OpenAI's. Everyone is putting a lot of information out there on what these tools can and can't do for AI-assisted code engineering. We have a lot of articles ourselves in our website. So it starts with that appetite. It starts also with identifying the use case. So the use case is the most important thing, because we know of a customer of ours that is applying AI-assisted re-engineering with Cloud Code, for example, to modernize a green screen. Now that's extremely challenging, because you need to really have the analysts that know the systems, validate things. That's very different from, for example, a Java application that is available on GitHub, and it's a more simple technology. So the use case and the technology stack is very important, but all starts with the willingness to make a business case viable. Because what we're seeing is, before, organizations wouldn't engage in legacy modernization technologies, initiatives, because of the costs and the impact, the disruption to their operations. Now that has been compressed, so it's a lot more about proving it fast, getting the business cases right, engaging with the board to make sure that the methodology that we're applying, it's not only about generating the code faster, but that there's an appetite for modernization.